Hi folks, today's review is the WeMo Wi-Fi smart light switch, and it works very well. None of these Internet of Things are easy to hook up. None of them are straightforward. I will say that the WeMo app is better than the SmartThings app I used. I had kind of a hard time connecting this to my iPhone, and the thing is the iPhone wouldn't go out and grab the network, which would be the local network, which would be the WeMo, which was an unsecured network. So to get it, I had to get in the iCloud and start that process to connect it. And once that was kind of started, but I didn't finish that, then I go and use the WeMo app to connect to the switch and set it up and give it my router password and all that. And I will say that the WeMo app is much quicker than the SmartThings app. It loads quicker and there's not as much lag. Other than that, it works well. It's just kind of hard to set up. The problem I had initially was that none of my switches had all the wires that I needed. None of them had the neutral in it. They just had 3 wires in it, and I couldn't use the switch on any of them. So anyway, it works. It's not straightforward. I'll try to share the videos with you, try to show you that process a little bit, as well as maybe some pictures of what I was doing with. Once it is set up, it worked perfectly. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are having a great day.